back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get these bad boys done. So these actually aren't acrylic nails. These are press-on nails that I basically made myself. So they are a lot more durable, because the ones that you buy in the store, sometimes like they are not as durable, sometimes they fall off easily, sometimes it's just too much to deal with. So what I did was, you seen the video, but basically these are ones that I create myself, and I'll be showing you how to achieve the same thing so that you can slay your nails like this. They last 1 week. What else do you need to know? For the removal process, all you need to do is just I would just cut the tip off and then soak it in warm water, but add soap and make sure you have like a cuticle removal to push it off as the glue softens, and then just have like a buffer for your nails to buff all the glue off, because you want to make sure you are also taking care of your natural nails at the same time. So customizable press-on nails, they look good, look like acrylic. Get yours done. Simple, easy, straight to the point. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So you'll be needing this MARKATT Coffin tips. I'll put the link in the bio for you. Then the next thing you are going to need is this precision nail glue by Kiss. Then you are going to need the normal cuticles. This thing is amazing. And a nail file, which I got from like the beauty supply store. And then what's next? Oh, the pink glitter MGLI 03. I used this in my other video for my eyeshadow. And then you're going to need some nail polish. I use a pink one and a clear one. I've done this design like quite a couple of times. So the next one is a nail clip. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and apply the normal cuticle on your cuticle. What that does is that it helps soften up your cuticle. Like, we are not necessarily removing the cuticle, you are just softening it up. And then the next thing you are going to do is take that nail file and use the tip to like sort of scrape any dead skin. You don't need to cut off your cuticle because you actually need that for the nails to make it look a little bit realistic. And you know, like you went to the nail salon to get your nails done, but you know, for the new. So yeah, just go ahead and file all that dead skin off under your cuticle while pushing your cuticle back. I hope that makes sense. Scrape the gunk off or the dead skin off while pushing that cuticle back. Then the next thing you want to do is fit the tips onto your nails. So one tip is that you never, if you can't find your size, always grab a bigger tip, because that way you can shave it down to fit your nails. You don't want to grab a smaller tip and then it doesn't cover the rest of your nails. So just grab, it's okay if it doesn't fit, just grab a bigger one and file it down. And there you go. And after you're done with that, just like set it aside. So the next thing you want to do now is just very, very lightly buff your nails. You just want to create a rough area for this for your nails so that the glue is able to bond onto your nail. It's like buffing your nails that's going to make them last longer. So now you just want to grab some of the glue and place them inside the tip. You want to be generous with this, but don't be doing too much. Don't add too much glue. But make sure you add enough so that when you eventually put it on your nail, there are no air pockets when you press that down. You do not want air pockets at all. You don't want your nails to be rough. I want them to last that full week. So when you insert them, just place it slightly under your cuticle, because from scraping there's going to be some space. So just place it slightly under your cuticle, press it down and hold it like right there, place it under that cuticle, then press it down and hold it for about 30 seconds, and make sure you are getting rid of any air pockets that is in there. And then, you know, tap it, you see it gets sturdy. And then just do that for the rest of all the nails. And guys, we're almost done. Literally, this normally takes me like 10 minutes to do, so it doesn't really take that long at all. The more you do it, like, the faster it becomes. And then you just file. I didn't really like change the shape or anything. There's just some like little piece of, I think when it's like production, there's some little piece of plastic, so I just filed those down. And then I'm just taking my pink nail polish. I'm taking my pink nail polish and I'm just going over my nail. I'm not really being careful with this at all because I'm going to end up like covering most of the nail with the pink glitter. So I'll just go ahead and make sure that's nice and coated. And then, like, I don't even wait for it to dry. Like, I just apply the nail polish, the clear nail polish over it. And then once I'm done with that, this is the fun part. Like, this is my favorite part. I just grab some of the glitter and first I pour it on there. So obviously there will be left over on the paper towel. So I just tap the tip of it. I tap the tip of it into the glitter that is on the paper towel, and that's how I coat the nail with glitter. So then I'm going to apply nail polish, but you see how I'm only applying nail polish to the beginning part of the of my nail where my nail bed is. That's because there's no glitter there, it's just pink nail polish, and you don't want to get glitter on the clear nail polish. So just start with your nail bed and then go ahead and then do the whole thing after you're done covering the tip with glitter. And that's it. We're done. Easy peasy. If you want it to dry fast and you're impatient, just like put it under cold water, run it under cold water, or just dip your hand in a bucket of ice water, or just blow dry it with cold air. And look at that, you just created much more durable press-on nails than the one they sell in stores. Bye!